to fix white cursor on Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to fix white cursor issue on Google Docs. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, click on the search bar at bottom of the screen and search for mouse settings. Once the mouse settings opens, click on additional mouse settings at bottom of the screen. Now a pop-up menu box appears where you have to click on pointers options. If the hide pointers while typing is toggle on, you have to uncheck mark this button and click on apply button. Later, if this is not working for you, then you can click pointers and here under customize, scroll down and then select the text one. And once you select text select, click on browse option here and you have to scroll down and search for the beam or iBeam. So let's search for ibeam.core and once you have done that, click on open button and then click on apply button. Once you do that, you can easily check on your Google Docs that your white cursor on Google Docs issue has been fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos.